Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. 69 Camaro RS Big Block, deluxe interior, and if you haven't noticed, it's bright red. You go to volocars.com, that's where you'll get all the information, pictures top to bottom, pricing on this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. But how about I take you for a spin in this 69 Camaro right here. So it's got front and rear spoilers, it's got cowl hood, it's got this hockey stick stripe, rally wheels, no ugly vinyl top. It has the exterior trim package, which is the wheel well moldings, drip gutters, and the louvers there. So it's pretty well decked out, sharp looking car. On your TV screen, it's gorgeous. Standing right here, it's gorgeous. This is probably a 15 or 20-year-old paint job that's on here. Well, actually, the woman that owned it the last 16 years did not paint it, so it's at least 16-year-old paint job. So it shows real well, but it's not a 10. I'm looking for a flaw. I'm sure there are some. Yes, it's a little bit rough right in here in the gutter. A couple little nicks down here, minor ones. So anyway, my point is it's a good looking car, but everything in general, the chrome, the weather strips, inside and out, it's a 7 out of a 10. Looks great. It's not the brand new car, but it's a good looking car with great options. The front end components have been gone through. It's a turbo 400 trans. The specs are on the website. I don't recall what rear end off the top of my head. And there's photos of the underneath of the car online as well. Big block motor. Actually, the transmission was completely rebuilt. I have the receipt. It was about $2,500. It's a nice clean orange motor all the way to the bottom, so it's not some old greasy motor. It runs great. We'll start it in a minute. It has one of those aluminum intakes where it's twisted. The big Holley dual feed carb with some really nice stainless steel braided fuel lines. MSD ignition system. It's got billet pulleys in front with the serpentine belt. Nice billet bracket on the power steering pump. It's also power disc brakes in front. And this is the deluxe houndstooth interior. The deluxe didn't have the flat door panels, had these nice molded door panels, had the rosewood trim, and of course the deluxe seats with this one has the houndstooth upholstery. Rally sport cars had the reverse lights down here. Non-rally sport would be right here in the middle. So it's a real rally sport. Trunk compartment, rock solid metal. It's been sprayed with that spatter finish paint. Has a rubber trunk mat, and it's all in nice shape. The windows all fit real nice. They roll up and down smoothly. The interior is in really nice shape. Like the edge of the door panel is cracked right here. There is a split at the seam in the back seat cushion. This has all the gauges. It has the factory in-dash tachometer. Everything works too, even quartz movement in the clock. It's got the gauges down in the console. They were all working when I pulled the car in here. So that's good. Why don't we fire it up? Now that's nice. That's how they're supposed to sound. Motor itself is nice and quiet, but it makes some good noise coming out the tailpipes. This is a tinted glass also. So look how nice it fits. So again, a great looking car, and the woman that owned it, she knows the car very well. She was able to answer a lot of questions for me. She said it's a get in and drive car, turnkey. She drove it here from an hour away, not afraid to take it anywhere. Go to the website and you'll get all the specs. This has the hidden headlight doors. They're vacuum operated. Those were trouble since day one, so you do have to help those to get them to open by hand. What I suggest is they make a conversion kit, electric motors for the headlight doors. So there you have it. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can find all the different ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people, and they're willing to help you with questions. We have shipping, we have financing. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way to see these videos as they're put out. So I do appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for a bunch more.